Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert, delete a row or a column in Excel file, or how you can insert multiple rows or delete multiple rows and columns in an Excel file. Okay, so let's go. So this is our raw data, and suppose I take this entire data set and I think that I had to insert few rows before this row number 4, or for example, let's take the column first. Now this is the car name, but I want a serial number before this column A. So what can I do? To insert a new row, what you can do is that you need to select this entire column first. Okay, now right click on it and then click on insert. This will insert a new column in front of your earlier column. This was the first way. So whenever you click on whenever you select this entire column and right click and insert, then by default what it will do is that it will insert a row on your left side. Okay, so that is the point that you need to keep in mind when you are inserting columns. Now suppose you need to insert multiple multiple columns. So we are talking about column first, apologies for that. So we need to insert multiple columns here. How we can do this? It's a similar way. What you can do is that you can select, if you need to insert 5 columns at the same time, what you need to do is that you need to select these 5 column first. Okay, and guess what will happen if I right click and then click on insert. So when I click on insert, what will happen is that it will insert 5 new columns on the left side. So I'll click on insert now. There you go, all the 5 columns has been inserted, right? So similarly, this is the way where you might use your mouse or your touchpad to insert columns, right? Now I delete this entire column which I have created now, and to delete this, what I need to do is that I need to highlight this entire column and then right click on it, then click on delete. Okay, there is another way of doing that. So what you can do is that you can select this entire column first. Okay, now you need to press Ctrl Shift and plus button. Okay, so when you press Ctrl Shift and plus button, it will do the same thing. It will insert a column on the left hand side. And now if you need to insert multiple columns, you need to select the number of columns which you want to include, or which you want, then, or if you want 5 columns, then you need to select the 5 columns. Okay, the number of columns which you want to add, you have to select that number of column first, and then again press Ctrl Shift and plus to insert new columns. I keep on going on rows, I don't know why but sorry for that. Okay, so we'll use the same way to delete it. Highlight this entire column and then delete. Okay, now we'll talk about how we can insert rows. Finally, rows. Okay, we have to do the same thing as we did for columns. We had to select the entire row first. Okay, by clicking on the extreme left side where you see this 2, click on it and this entire row will be selected. Then right click on it and click on insert. Okay, so by default what will happen is that whenever you insert a row, it will insert on the top of the row which you have selected. Okay, so one row is selected. Similarly, if you want to insert multiple rows, or 5 rows or 10 row, for example, if I take this many of rows, okay, from 3 to 13, that is 10 row. Okay, and if I want to add 10 rows above row number 3, then again I have to right click here and click on insert. Okay, so 10 rows has been inserted. And similarly, if you want to delete this entire row, then there are 3 ways. First, you go to that cell which you want to delete. For example, I want this blank rows to be deleted. Okay, so I'll go from from cell A2 till A13. I'll select it and I'll go to extreme right, and I'll press right click. Okay, sorry, my mistake. So I'll select this entire cells of rows which I want to delete. Then I'll use the shortcut first, which is Alt H D and R, which will delete your selected rows. So what we did was that we selected a range of cell which we want to delete. So the range specifies that this entire row will be deleted. We want to delete the entire row, so we selected that range and then we used the shortcut Alt H D and then R. Now similarly, if we want to delete this entire row, the another way of deleting is that by clicking on this extreme left side, then press Ctrl and down key till this empty row, then right click here and then press on delete. Okay, so this is the way you can delete multiple rows. So we had reached at the end of this video. In our next video, I'll show you how you can insert a mini chart in your cell.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.